Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors in your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So go ahead in your Windows search bar and type in here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. That's the best thing that you should not forget. Running the command prompt as an administrator so that the command will work, and type in here in this block window as fc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. So while the process is going on, let's just wait for this in a while. Once the first command has been done, then we need to type in here the second command. So type here dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, again, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize, but do not close the whole window. And here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help the process to continue. And once the process has been 100% completed, then just you need to simply close out of here. And finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.